I try so hard, but all I get are F's. Help me, Poppet! Another Poppet! Thanks, guys! Michelle grew up, and she still loves Poppets just as much. Poppet University is the best college! Hey! Want even more awesome new videos? Then like, subscribe, and comment! Class is starting in Poppet College. Meet Susie, our new student! Get ready for class! I need a pen and a notebook. Oh no! Sam! Oh no! What have you done, Susie? This is a Poppet challenge. What? A normal notebook? Gross! That was mine! Here, this notebook is way better. Cut sheets of paper to fit a Poppet. Make openings and put rings through it. Wow! Thanks! It's beautiful! What's Miss Michelle doing? Don't panic! I'll get rid of this! Hey! What's taking so long? There's a line! What's wrong? We've been waiting forever! I'll handle this! Hey! Who's in there? Quit hogging the bathroom! Oops! I think I should leave. Sorry! Wow! So many Poppets! The bathroom is closed! What? Art class! Let's draw a Poppet still life! Wow! Nicole is doing great, but I'm not. And Samantha is like a professional artist. Sam, what even is this? This is how I see the world! Susie, how's it going? Not great. I remember those days. I didn't get anywhere until I got a Poppet pencil. That was the best gift ever. It's perfect. Here, Susie. Thanks. Wow. Coat a cup in oil and fill it with crayons. Melt it using a construction dryer. Let it harden. Remove it from the mold. Cut the tip off a pencil-shaped box. Put in the melted crayons. Cover the pencil with strips of a Poppet. Now I'm doing great! Let's start our Poppet history lesson. Our ancestors started fire using Poppets. That's how they did it! Wow! Just wait! Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity thanks to this Poppet apple that fell on his head. Eureka! Wow! All our technological achievements are all thanks to Poppets. An iPhone? No! Poppet! The Poppet is the pinnacle of human creativity. And let me tell you, our whole planet is actually one huge Poppet. Paint a Poppet in a plastic case to look like the Earth. Use a milling cutter to make openings. Put it in a globe stand with long supports. Miss Michelle is getting carried away. Oh, what am I saying? I was just kidding. Phew. Nope, it's not a joke. Okay, yeah, it's just a joke. What do you think? Is it a joke or not? Comment below. Let's hear from Samantha. Solve this for us. I don't know how. Don't worry. Take this Poppet.
Wow.
It'll calm you down. Poppet, I am so stressed. Let's not rush her. Oh no! My Poppet! It's streaming! It tore. I'm so sorry. I'll fix it. My favorite Poppet. This is for you as a replacement. Cut all the cells out of a torn Poppet. Pour styrofoam balls into a clear container. Cover it with the Poppet. Fill it with pens and pencils. What a great organizer! Great idea! Now solve these. Where's that Poppet? You can't have it. That's enough. Sit down. A 2-in-1 Poppet flash drive. It's fun and useful. Cut the plastic part off of a flash drive. Make openings in a Poppet. Insert the flash drive. Now I can watch my favorite Troom videos anytime. Not bad. Well, I have Simple Dimple paper clips. Glue simple dimples to paper clips. Decorate them with beads. Ha! My Poppet flash drive is way better. Nope, simple dimples are cooler. Why are you fighting? Bubble wrap is the best. Put that away. Bubble wrap is against the rules. This is a disaster. Hello? Come right away. What's the problem? Oh no! Oops. Problem solved. I'm innocent. Let me check your homework. This is a Poppet house. Just wait. Oh, Sam. Nicole, that's wonderful. A Poppet planner. Perfect. My Poppet drawing is done. Wow, amazing. A Poppet stand. Trim chopsticks. Cover them with light clay to shape a bone. Put them in a Poppet dinosaur's teeth. Make a stand. You get an A+. An A+? But where? Look closely. It really is. Wow. I'll take this chalk. It should go right here. This is gonna be fun. Nice prank. Write down today's topic. Where's the chalk? Is someone pranking me? Sam? Of course not. And you didn't take the chalk? Come with me. What's in the hood? Seriously? Right. What about the chalk? Take this Poppet chalk. Pour glue over crushed up white chalk. Add dry coloring. Mix it. Pour the mixture into a Poppet. Make a few different layers. Leave it to dry for 48 hours. Even the chalk is special at Poppet College. I love Poppet. Done. I hope you learned your lesson. This test is so hard. I don't know anything, but everyone else clearly does. I know. Where are my scissors? Remove the plastic part of old broken scissors. Use a sander to file down the tips. Make holes in a simple dimple with a milling cutter. Attach them to scissors. Add a carabiner. I'll make myself a cheating mask. What's the answer to number 1? Oops! Cheating is wrong, Susie. This poppet was so beautiful. Now it's ruined. You're getting a horrible grade now. Today, we're learning how to make slime. Mix all the ingredients and you're done. That's boring. I know. Give me your poppet. Let's make slime out of it. Wow! Now that's cool. What's going on? That's not how to make slime. Get to work. Sorry.
Okay.
Mixin'. Here's the slime. I have an idea. Who's with me? Let's run. This cooler of slime is the first of its kind. What's going on here? The water is a weird color. It's slime! Wow! Amazing! I'm proud of you! Wow! A simple dimple motorcycle! There's an idea! I want to do that too! I just need the right angle! Ready to find out who is this year's college queen? It is me! Surprise! I am so happy! Where are you going? Oh no! Too many poppets! Did you like our new video? Then comment below and tell us if you'd want to study at Poppet College. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.